This final video on Special Education Manager will show you how to add forms to a student's IEP to prepare for the ARD. So you're going to want to, instead of going into Power Tools, which is where you do most of your work throughout Special Education Manager, you're going to go into the Special Education Manager button proper right here at the top. So click on that, and you'll see that the main menu does look a little different. You want to enter the student records. And this screen looks a little different too. Type the name of your student, last name first, and the access reason is just reviewing the file. Over here on this left-hand menu, you want to click to expand the button that says ARD Meetings Form. And look for the ARD meeting date that has a D. That D is for draft. That means it is in progress. Okay, so you can see already the student has an IEP and BIP ready to go. She has transportation information ready to go. However, what she does not have is personal care information or an assistive technology form. So to fix that, we're going to go into Add Form. And this down here is especially useful. Okay, this box down here, this shows you things that other people have included in this student's ARD previously, but they're not currently there, meaning that probably they will need to be included for the next annual ARD. And you can just click on it from this option here, and it will add that form for you. Okay, here's the personal care supplement I mentioned. Okay, this one that says miscellaneous ARD, that is actually the assistive technology form that you will also need to take care of. Okay, assistive or the personal care form is also listed up here. Okay, you can choose any of those forms from this list on the top. This is just like a shortcut down here. We're going to start with the assistive technology. It's under miscellaneous ARD. We want to add. Okay, and you can choose to modify in a form by the same name that has already been used, or you can type your own. Sometimes people will type it as CAT, sometimes it will be assistive technology, consideration of assistive technology. There are a gazillion names for this, but you do want to put a title in there for you. Okay, and we want to refresh. Now it's blank because we haven't actually told it what kind of form. We've given it a title, but we haven't told it what kind of form we want to use. Down here, if we click on this drop-down box, you'll see that we want to find this one right here, consideration of assistive technology at ARD. And actually, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to delete anything previously entered, but you may want to do that because you'll be updating that information. So, and there's the form, all ready to go. You can modify it if you would like to. You can go in and put X's or checks. It's up to you, but you do have the opportunity to modify it in this window. Oh, it looks like we made it a little wonky. And then when you're done with that, you'll just come up here to print and follow the instructions to print. So that's adding a assistive technology form. The personal care form works exactly the same way. However, you'll want to pay attention in your personal care billing, your Medicaid billing training very carefully, because they will give you specific information that you need to include in that that they require when they do bill for Medicaid. So, okay, that's how you add a form to an ARD.